All right, so now that you actually have the Media Solutions app, how the heck do you use it? How do you log in? In this video, I'm going to go ahead and cover how you log in to our various services. This one app allows you to access all of the services that we offer, be it just live television or our video on demand, or if we come out with any future services, you can also access them all through the same app using different logins. So, for example, if we have four different services, and let's say that uh, you want to have all four services, you take those four different logins that you're going to have and you can plug them into this one app and you can switch between all four services, just for example. So let's say currently you are a live TV customer, but you also have our video on demand service. So that's two different services, two different logins. I'm going to show you how to do that here. So let's go ahead and open up the app. And if this pops up, of course, you're using television, so we're going to click save. And it's going to pop up here. So what you want to do is for each login that you put in, you want to put a name for it. So for you're going to be using your television login first. So we're just going to call it TV. You can call it live TV or whatever. I just use TV because it's nice and short. So we're going to put TV. And with each selection, you just hit next, and it'll automatically go into the next thing that you need to enter. So we hit next. It automatically went down to the spot where you're going to enter your username. It's very important. If it's a capital letter, make sure it's a capital letter. If it's a small letter, make sure it's a small letter. You can't have any spaces. It has to be 100%, or else it's going to say invalid or expired. You have to make sure you 100% enter the username and the password that your agent provides. So let's go ahead and enter our username here. And once you have it, you hit next. Boom, it automatically goes down to the next thing we need to enter, which is our password. So we're going to enter our password. And once we have our password entered, we hit next. All right. Hit next again. There we go. And then go ahead and load our system. And remember, this is just our live TV. So what you want to do is you want to click right here where it says live TV, and it's going to load in our channels. And once it's loaded, you click it again to open it up. And there you go. It's going to load in all of our different channels. Now again, if this is just your live TV account, so if you try to go in here and click movies, you'll notice that it's empty. That's because you have to also enter your VOD information. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's say you have our live television service, but you also pay for our video on demand services. What you got to do is you go up here to the top, and we're going to add our second account. Click right here where it says add playlist, and you simply add in another playlist. So we're going to add our video on demand playlist. You click here, and this screen pops up. You're going to click add playlist again. And very simply, this time you're going to name it something different. This time it's going to be VOD, which is our movies and our series. So name it VOD. You can, if you want to type more, you can enter movies and series, whatever. And we're going to click next. Now we're going to enter our VOD username. And again, once you enter your username, then you just click next. It's going to go down to our password section, and we're going to enter our password. And once we get our password enter, we hit next again. Click it one more time. And it's going to go ahead and it's going to add our VOD. So now our VOD system is loaded in. So our movies and series are here. So let's click it, and you'll see it's going to download. Click it again, open it up. And now you can see it loads our movies. And if I go over here, it's going to load in our series. There we have it. So remember, right now, our VOD system is loaded up. So our movies and series will show up. But if we try to go over here and click live TV, you'll notice when it loads, it's going to be empty. See here? So we're like, oh, well, how do we go back? How do we watch TV again? Okay, it's very simple. Um, Now both our accounts are loaded into the app. So all we have to do is switch back and forth between the two. So all we got to do is go back up to the top here, and we never have to enter that again. It's saved. So you click here, and all you got to do is you click on switch playlist, and you'll notice it'll show both of our accounts. We've got our TV account and our VOD account. So whatever you want to watch, you just go in here, you switch playlists. So now say, hey, I want to watch some TV. You just click TV. It automatically is going to load up our previously saved account. So now when we go to click live TV, boom, you'll see it loads all of our live television. And if you want to watch movies, all you got to do is you go up once again. You just click switch playlist. Let's switch over to our VODs. Boom, automatically loads it up. You don't have to ever enter your password and all that stuff again. It's automatic. So let's say in the future we came out with another service. For example, maybe a backup live TV account, or a separate movies and a set of movies and series. All you got to do is get your new login information from your agent, and you come in here and you add another playlist. So this can have up to 10 different services, or even more than that. If the agent's like, hey, we got something new, you want to try it, you can just come in here, click add playlist. They're going to give you a new login of some sort, and you just click add playlist. You go in, you add the information, load it up, and see what that one has to offer. So that's the good thing about the Media Solutions, the 2024 app, is if there's anything new that we offer, we can automatically load that into the app. And all you got to do is you put your new login, and it'll automatically load everything up. Beyond that, should be good to go. That shows pretty much everything, how to log in, how to get going. Enjoy 2024 Media Solutions.